Hello everyone, Rat Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today is Monday, June 16th, 2025. It's 10:08 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And we are here trading the NASDAQ futures. Now it's September 2025 contract. When I was getting used to saying June 2025 contract, they changed the expiration, but we have to be where we have to be. So from now on until 3 months from now, we're gonna be trading the September 2025 contract, and this is a 15-minute chart. Today's trade was so awesome. I'm not gonna say much here. On Friday, I sold at a support level, and I was getting some hit from some of our followers. Let me know in the comments. I don't mind those. Actually, I love when people comment and ask me questions and or criticize me. I don't care. But and today was the perfect example. I was looking for a sell setup around this. Well, we had a support resistance zone here. We have a resistance level here, and for some reason, market hit that resistance zone. It bounced for a little bit, and then it kept on going. Why did market did that? Well, check the video. Let me know in the comments. Hope you had an awesome Father's Day weekend. Congratulations to all the fathers. Please remember to subscribe and share so others can learn this stuff that you're not gonna see anywhere else. And enjoy the video. Let me know. Okay, so 9:51, I had to enter the trade because while I was making the analysis, market started moving, and I was afraid I was gonna miss it. So yeah, I said, you know what? I was trying to set up the recording. I'm like, okay, let me just get in the trade, and then let's see what happens. And there is a lot of risk here, but you know, I don't trade risk. I trade probability. And it's funny, and I'm gonna address this at the end of the video. You're gonna see what the analysis was and why I jumped in. When I jumped in right now, market is hitting a resistance zone, and it came close and it held. It keep pushing and it's holding right now. It bounced back, but then, and there is a reason for that. Okay, we're going to talk about this after we finish the video. We might have a we might have a retracement and a continuation. I don't think that's gonna happen, but if that happens, I am ready for that. Okay, then we're gonna grab 20 points out of this move. And why? Because ¿por qué, right? Did you lost your mind? I did not. There's a nice surprise way up here. 26.75. So that's gonna be 20 points, 40 points, $800. Template load. Target level. Pop. And now I'm gonna sit back. I'm gonna relax, and I'm gonna wait until market reaches that take profit level. Afterwards, I'm gonna explain to you why I took this trade. So there we have it.
Target filled.
Catching target filled. Ha! What an awesome trade. I had a hunch that they were not gonna wait until 10 in the morning, that they were gonna go for it, and go for it they did. I mean, I just paused the recording and it didn't pass like 5 seconds, and I just closed the trade. Okay, let me do this first and then we'll go to the analysis. Wow, this was awesome. Awesome Monday morning. Less than 15 minutes. Less than 5 minutes actually. I thought this was 15 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. So we have here, you know the drill. We have NASDAQ, buy, setup, pop. We have entry, pop. We have two contracts at 22,106.75. We have target, two contracts at 22,127.25, and that equals, okay, we mentioned 20 and 21 points, right? Because 20 and 20 and a half points. That's it. We have 20 and a half points up. We have total trade. We have 41 points, which equals 820 bucks. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boom. Really awesome trade. Okay, now here's the deal. Let's go to the 50-minute. Let's go from the beginning. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this. We have here a 15-minute chart. Okay, let's move this out of the way. 15-minute chart. Flop. Market has been pushing to the upside. We have here from here to here, and then from here to here. We have a previous, we had a target right here, flop, market reached target, okay, reset, flop, market reach resistance, flop, holding, flop, market hit target, flop, flop, target right here, but we have here a big target zone. We have here since yesterday afternoon, we have a big support zone in major time frames. Check how market went straight from support straight to target. And I've told you, the day of the week matters, the hour that's market is moving matters. Market moved, make this huge move. I mean, we have here from low, let's take the opening of the candle to the 370, I mean, we could go to almost, we could say 400 point move. If we take the lowest low, this one, over 400 point move during the overnight. Why is that? Why did that happen? Remember, this is my opinion and my opinion only. That's how I analyze the market. Okay? Because there are less people trading. Market is gonna make money, and the less retails that are participating in the market, the better. Okay? Now a bunch of retailers might want to enter a trade now. You know I like to look for trades after 10 in the morning. And if we do a live session, it's gonna be looking for opportunities after 10 in the morning. If that was the case today, we wouldn't have anything because market already hit target. Okay, market can keep moving to the upside, but market hit a major target, and we see that. Sarah, what the heck are you talking about? Check this out. I was when I sat down earlier this morning, I was looking for a potential sell setup. Well, market has been moving. Now it might be time to have a small retracement. We can grab a few points right there. But check this out. Okay, 15 minutes. Well, we have two price swings there. We have A, B, C, D, A, B, up. Okay, that was the price swing for this move. Why are you missing pivots around those price swings? Yes, there's an explanation for that. But anyway, we're not gonna be here for hours learn trading. So I'm gonna move up one chart. Okay, the 2-hour chart. I love the 2-hour chart. Okay, let me move this over here. And in the 2-hour chart, we have mark a low, we have a high, up, we have a big support zone, and market went straight to target. Bam. Straight to target. That's why I got this move late, because if I had seen this at 8 in the morning, you got your entry right here. Well, this I don't like. Well, I might use them as example. The what ifs. Boom. 100 point move in 2 hours. Hey, I grabbed 20 out of those 100, so that's 20%. Maybe a little less. Maybe 15% of the move. What? Okay, well. So that's a great trade. Okay, we might get those home runs from time to time, but that's not what I look for. Trading plan, trading goals, guys. But there was a huge move, a huge, strong, really nice buy setup in major time frames, and well, now there's nothing else to do right now except maybe look for minor time frames, potential sell setups, because at some point market should retrace and we might get an opportunity, but right now this is done, and especially major time frames we might see some sideways move. We could see a push, market keep pushing towards this zone, which this zone is not valid anymore, but market try pushing. I wouldn't risk any trades right now until I see something different than what's going on here. That's per my legacy futures trading strategy. Okay, that it doesn't always mean that you have to trade how I trade, or well, I'm just here to show you what I do and what I teach. And yeah, questions, comments, complaints, jokes. Let me know in the comments what you think about if you use these support and resistance levels. This is market will react around those levels, and we see that today. But these levels are really weak levels, because market respects more the bigger support and resistance zones than these levels, you know. So anyway, yeah, please subscribe, share, let me know in the comments what you think. It's buying that resistance level, I was like, oh, this is gonna be great, because some people have told me, like, why are you selling or buying at resistance or support levels? Remember, a level is one thing and a zone is another. And here's a perfect example. We have a resistance level, but we have a target zone, which is always going to be, well, it's more probable that this is the strongest. I was gonna draw a muscle, but I don't know how to do that. So this is gonna be the strongest, okay, zone. And well, we saw it right here. So comment, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, I'm all excited. 10 in the morning, Monday morning, and we're done. So let me see what I'm gonna do next with the rest of my day. Wanna learn my trading strategy? You wanna join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. You have a great one. Catching.